Okay, here's my tablet that I am enjoying using, reading outside. But I'm also a very fidgety person. I like to keep my hands busy. So while I'm using the tablet, I can do all these different things with Velcro. This I can pull while I'm reading. I can click while I'm reading. Put that back. I can diddle with this, move those around. I can do this when I'm reading. I could just stop and put things off and read like that, or I can put that back on. This comes off. This is also kind of fun to fidget with. But while I'm reading, I can feel this. I could even stop what I'm doing. Give myself a little brushing. I like this type of sensory stimulation. I could also push this in and out. So I have that. So while I'm reading, if I want to fidget, I could do this as well. And my favorite is really the bracelet, slap bracelet. And this comes off as well. So I could just read and fidget like that. And when I'm not reading, I could just put this on my lap and I could fidget with all these different things. So keeps my hands busy. I love to read and gives me, it gives two purposes to my tablet. Of course, it's enjoyable, educational when I'm reading, and it also keeps my hands busy, which for me decreases anxiety. Thank you. I'm recyclingot.com. I'm Barbara Smith, recyclingot.com. Thank you.